everyone, this is Hugo. I hope you all prepared for some ancient hug0905 content. These videos were made about 8 years ago in 2013. The first one I'll be showing you is me wanting the infamous youareidiot.org website on a Nintendo Wii. Just, you know, go to the internet browser on that thing and just find the website through there, and this is what happens.
You are an idiot! You are an idiot!
Alright, you can.
Yeah, very anticlimactic, is it? But that's not what all of this video is about. There's also a very old vlog I was meant to upload many years ago, way back in 2013. I think you're gonna be enjoying this. It's me in the city of Memphis in Tennessee. It was a pretty nice trip. Hopefully you enjoy some of this unedited vlog content from long ago. Thank you for watching.
It's not amazing.
1, 2, 3. Is it going?
Yes.
Oh, hi friends, this is hug0905. Now I'm in the Memphis Zoo, and look at this lion we found. Hey.
Okay, go.
Hey friends, this is hug0905. This is my trip to Memphis. Right now we're in the hotel at the pool. Right there's a hot tub. So, yeah, more videos I'll be uploading soon. Bye. And that's all I wanted to show you for the zoo. Thanks for watching. More videos. Alright. Hi friends. This is okay again friends. This is the tigers. And that's all. Okay friends, now I'm at the, what is it called? What's it called?
Cougar.
Oh, cougar.
What I call them.
I don't know if it's a cougar or not, but this is the this mountain lion kind of thing.
Get over
And
there. Scoot over to the window. I'll show you how close it is to you.
Alright, and that's the cougar, whatever. And that's it. Okay, friends, I'm in the Animals of the Night room now. So, oh my god. Oh god! Ah, God. It's really cool here. Oh my god.
Are you okay?
Wait, okay. Okay, that's it, friends.
No, not yet. We're not to the cool part yet.
Okay. Wait. Oh wow! Oh.
Bush babies are like giant sugar glides. I can't see anything.
Oh, cute. Where is it?
Well, I mean, when your eyes are finally adjusted, it'll probably get better. But yeah,
You might not be able to pick it up on the camera if it's
the Roosevelt lights in
quiet,
here.
please. We have a bush baby that was born. Please do not disturb the baby.
Where is it? Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's only been a minute. Can I at least stop it? Okay, friends, that's the Animals of the Night so far.
Alright, yeah. That's cool. It's hard
Oh.
Otter. Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Where'd he go?
Oh, no, be careful, Mom.